We all love Kinder Eggs. That irresistible, crispy chocolate layer enclosing a delicious white chocolate layer makes us go crazy for its taste. Kinder Eggs have been a fundamental part of our childhood. The excitement of opening one and discovering the toy hidden inside, followed by enjoying the exquisite chocolate, was a unique experience. But have you ever wondered how this product is actually made? How do they manage to put a toy inside each egg? Well, you're in the right video. Today we'll enter a Kinder factory and take a detailed look at the production process, from chocolate making to the final packaging. And who knows, after seeing the entire process each egg goes through, you might change your perspective on them. So, get comfortable and let's begin. Kinder Eggs were born in 1974, created by the Italian company Ferrero. Michele Ferrero, inspired by the Italian tradition of giving Easter eggs with surprises inside, decided to make a version available all year round. This is how the idea of a chocolate egg with a toy capsule inside came about, combining the pleasure of chocolate with the excitement of discovering a surprise. This innovation quickly became a global success, and today we have all enjoyed one of them. So now that you know the origin of this delicious and fun product, join me inside the factory and let's see its production process. Step 1. Ingredients. The process begins with the selection of the main ingredients: high-quality cocoa obtained from cocoa beans, powdered milk, and sugar. These ingredients are carefully mixed in large industrial mixers to create the rich and creamy chocolate paste. White chocolate is made using exclusively cocoa butter, while milk chocolate incorporates pure cocoa beans to achieve its characteristic flavor. The mixture undergoes a process called conching, where it is stirred and heated for several hours to achieve the smooth and creamy texture we all know and love. Conching is essential to eliminate any acidity or impurities and to develop the characteristic flavor profile of Kinder chocolate. This step can last up to 24 hours, depending on the specific recipe used. Step 2. Molding the chocolate shell. Once the chocolate is ready, it is slightly cooled before being poured into oval-shaped molds that will form the two halves of the Kinder egg. Each mold receives a layer of white chocolate on the inside and then a layer of milk chocolate on the outside. This double-layer process not only adds a unique flavor but also reinforces the egg shell to withstand the surprise filling. White chocolate is used to make the interior creamier and smoother, while milk chocolate on the outside ensures the egg has a good balance of flavor and texture. After pouring the chocolate into the molds, they are rotated to ensure even distribution and then cooled to allow the chocolate to harden. Step 3. Inserting the surprise. One of the most distinctive features of Kinder Eggs is the surprise inside. This stage of the process begins with the manufacturing of small yellow plastic capsules that contain the toys. The capsules are automatically assembled and then filled with the small toy pieces, which often require assembly by the consumer. Then undergoes a rigorous quality control process to ensure that all parts fit together perfectly and that there are no sharp edges or dangerous pieces. Step 4. Assembling the egg. Once the capsules are ready, they are placed inside one of the halves of the chocolate egg. The other half is then placed on top, and both are sealed together by applying a slight amount of heat to the edges. This sealing is crucial, as it ensures that the egg does not accidentally open too soon. This step is performed at high speed, with machines capable of assembling thousands of eggs per hour. The seal must be strong enough to keep the halves together, but gentle enough for consumers to easily open the egg. Step 5. Packaging. With the egg assembled and sealed, the next step is packaging. Kinder eggs are wrapped in aluminum foil printed with the brand's logo and distinctive colors. This wrapping not only protects the chocolate, but also visually attracts consumers, especially children. The aluminum foil is applied with precision to avoid wrinkles and ensure that the egg looks perfect on store shelves. After wrapping, the eggs are grouped and packed in cardboard boxes for distribution. Step 6. Quality control. Before Kinder eggs reach the stores, they must undergo a rigorous quality control process. This includes checking each egg to ensure there are no defects in the chocolate, that the wrapping is properly applied, and that the internal surprise is correct. Additionally, random tests are conducted to check the durability of the chocolate and the safety of the toy. Quality control is vital to maintaining the reputation of the Kinder brand. Any egg that does not meet quality standards is removed and recycled to ensure that only the best products reach consumers. Step 7. Distribution. Finally, the Kinder eggs are ready to be shipped worldwide. They are loaded onto refrigerated trucks that keep the chocolate at an optimal temperature to prevent melting during transport. Distribution logistics are key to ensuring that Kinder eggs arrive fresh everywhere. The chocolate is especially sensitive to temperature changes, so careful handling is essential throughout the distribution process. From distribution centers, the eggs are delivered to supermarkets, stores, and other points of sale, ready to be purchased and enjoyed by millions of people. The production process of Kinder eggs is a fascinating example of industrial precision and creativity, where layers of milk chocolate and white chocolate are carefully combined with a surprise that has captivated millions of children around the world. It's impossible not to nostalgically remember the excitement of our childhood when opening a Kinder egg, eager to discover the toy hidden inside. Every stage of the process, from chocolate making to final packaging, is meticulously designed to ensure maximum quality and flavor. However, it is essential to keep in mind that due to their high sugar content, Kinder eggs should be enjoyed in moderation and not be a regular part of your diet to maintain a healthy lifestyle. To conclude, we have a question for you. Will you continue consuming them?